Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 15, Test 4, the Writing Task 1. The chart below shows what anthropology graduates from one university did after finishing their undergraduate degree course. The table shows the salary of the anthropologists in work after 5 years. This task can be written in 4 paras. In the introduction, describe the task. In feature para 1, report the values of the pie chart. In feature para 2, report the values of the table. And in the overview, make major comparisons. The following slides will show how this task can be written. Now in the introduction, describe the task. A chart reports the nature of employment of the students who graduated in anthropology from a university, while a table details their salaries. In feature para 1, report the values of the pie chart. The pie chart reports that 52% of the graduates had full-time jobs, 15% had part-time jobs, 5% studied and worked part-time, 8% studied and worked full-time, 12% were unemployed, while the employment status of 8% was not known. Now in feature para 2, report the values of the table. The table reports the income of the anthropology graduates after 5 years. The maximum salary that was beyond $100,000 was earned by the 40% who worked as freelance consultants and the 50% who were government employees, while in the private sector 35% received between $50,000 and $74,999. For the lowest salary range of $25,000 to $49,999, 5% were freelance consultants, 5% were government employees, and 10% were private employees. Now in the overview, make major comparisons. Overall, more than half of the anthropology students worked full-time, and after working for 5 years, most graduates worked in the highest payment sectors, which were freelance consulting and in the government.